right, so we're talking about plywood. I know it's used in a lot of different things, but truthfully, I don't know how many different applications there are. So let's talk about what it is and how it's used.
What we offer is a cabinet grade plywood. With this plywood, you'll use it for building cabinets. You could also use it as for wainscoting and as a ceiling detail as well. So we offer it in a 2 good face and 1 good face. So with cabinet grade plywood, if you buy 1 good face, you're going to be guaranteed that you have 1 face of the plywood that doesn't have any defects or knots.
Okay.
That is probably what you would use for a wainscot or a ceiling detail of some sort. For 2 good face, you would use that for your cabinets where you're going to be seeing both sides.
There are many different types of species.
Correct.
So let's talk about some of the species available and how does it look from an aesthetic standpoint?
Yeah, so we stock almost all the sizes, and poplar, red oak, maple, some white oak, cherry. A poplar plywood, you're probably going to use that for a paint grade product if you're painting cabinets or doing something along those lines. Some people will paint the maple plywood if they're looking for a little bit better of a finish. And then for the most part, your red oaks, white oaks, cherries, your higher end species, most people are staging.
Okay, and a lot of the higher end, those are going to be the 2-face,
Correct.
right? Because you're going to see both the front and the back.
Correct.
See, I'm learning so much this morning. But
Yeah.
So if someone has a project that they are working on and they're like me, they don't really know where to start, I feel like that's kind of where you and your team come into place because you have been doing this for so many years. You're 3rd generation, and you're able to really help people every step of the way to pick out the products that they need.
Exactly. So whether you want to call in or even come out to the showroom and we could show you examples of the plywood that we offer, a lot of our sales staff is very educated as well when it comes to these things. So if you call in and you let us know what project you're doing or what application you're going to be using the plywood in, yeah, we can definitely point you in the right direction of which type you would want to use.
And I want to mention too, I said this before, he's 3rd generation. He's an official Baird brother. Ben, thank you so much. And as always, for more information, you can log onto their website.